Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see about introduction to random forest in our software. Before competing to statistical analysis, it's better to say something about random forest or machine learning. As all of you know that machine learning has become the latest technology these days, and a number of companies, industries using machine learning algorithm in various applications to solve a number of issues or concern or problem. They generally use it for classification, regression, clustering related problems. Some of the popular algorithms include linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, and etc. And coming to the definition of random forest, it is one of the popular supervised machine learning algorithms that used for both classification and regression problem. And it is based on the concept of collaborative learning, which enable users to combine multiple classifiers to solve complex problems and enhance their model. And again, random forest algorithm hugely relies on the multiple decision tree and accepts the result of the prediction from each tree. Again, based on the majority of votes of prediction, it determines the final result. There are a number of pros and cons for random forest model. Let's start from the advantage. One, it provides higher accuracy than other algorithms. And again, it's provide or it's offer insight into the important variable for the classification purposes, and again it effectively manage missing data, and again it calculates proximities between case pair, which can be applied for clustering, identifying outliers, or providing unique data perspective or view. It also solves the problem of overfitting. This is because the output is based on the majority of voting or aggregating or averaging. And lastly, it is highly stable as the average answer given by the large number of trees are considered. When we come to the limitation, it's obvious it is complexity. And there are two major assumptions for a random forest algorithm. The first one is you should handle the missing value in the training model. And again, the prediction from each tree must have very low correlation. Overall, random forest is fast, simple, flexible, and robust model with some limitation. So in the next tutorial, we will compute statistical analysis with our software. Until then, stay tuned. And those who are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Have a nice time.